guys, welcome to 31st tutorial on Solidworks, and in this tutorial we're designing a star, as you can see. So let's get started. Go to new, double click on part, and we will make all the plane visible. Press the shift key and then select all the planes and then click on this show icon. All the planes are visible, and we will make a sketch on right plane. Click on right plane and then we'll click on sketch. So we'll tilt it like that, and then go to lines, and we'll draw a line from the origin like this. And now we'll click normal too, so line is like this, and we'll get out of the sketch. Now we need a plane here. We'll go to the reference geometry, but before we go to reference geometry we need an axis. So we'll go to reference geometry again for the axis, and here you can see the axis command, and you will select the plane and we'll get the axis between them. So we'll select the right plane and the front plane. Between that there will be axis, and then click OK. So the axis is not visible. We'll go to this show bar here and we'll click here, view axis. Now as you can see the axis is visible. I'll go to reference geometry, click on planes, and now the first reference has to be the right plane, and the second reference has to be the axis. Okay, and the angle has to be 36. So as you can see, as soon as I type 36 here, it got the angle 36 with this right plane, as you can see. Now I'll click OK, and we will hide the front plane and top plane. We'll select this plane 1 and make a sketch here, and don't click on normal tool, just rotate it like that and go to line, and from the origin we'll do like that. Now this point okay, this point and this point is horizontal. From the top it looks like this. Let's drag it a little bit more. Alright, it seems fine. Get out of the sketch and hide all these planes, right plane and the plane number 1, hide it. We are left with the axis and these two lines, and using 3D sketch we're going to connect these dots, this end of this line and the end of this line. We go to sketch and we'll go to this arrow here, and then we go to 3D sketch. We'll click on line command and we will select this. First we'll click on this point, and the second click will be on this point, and press escape and we'll get out of the sketch. Now we have a closed figure, and we'll add a surface between this closed figure. Go to surface, here you can see fill surface. We'll go to fill surface and then we'll select these lines, and it will add a surface between these lines. Okay, Okay, we'll mirror this. We'll go to features, and here's the mirror command. So the reference plane will be the right plane, and the bodies to mirror, here will be surface, this one. There you can see, click OK. And now you'll go to circular pattern, and here as axis, pattern axis, we will choose this axis number 1, and we'll go to bodies to pattern, and here we can select all these features, all these two surface. Now we have it, and we click OK. So what we'll do is we'll go to the plane, the sketch number 2, edit it, drag it behind, and sketch. There we go. Now we don't need the axis anymore, so what we'll do, we'll hide the axis here, hide, and now as you can see, we got the only one side of the star, other side is still left. So we will go to different geometry, then planes, and top plane, and for the point we'll use this point, and we'll get a plane at that point. Click OK, and then we'll go to mirror. Here we have to select plane number 3, and bodies to mirror, we'll select all the bodies here. Click OK, and we hide this plane. As you can see, we have a star ready, and now we'll go to appearances. As you can see, there are lots of appearances here. Plastic, metal, whatever you want to choose. We'll go to plastic. We have high level plastics, high gloss plastic, medium, whatever, and select any one. Just select it. Lights here, the LED one looks very good. Double click to get the effect on the star. Double click here. As soon as you double click, we'll get the effect here. So this is how we design a star on Solidworks, and stay tuned guys, there will be more tutorials in the future, and see you in the next tutorial.